In this part, we want to add Bootstrap5, its 5th version, to our project. To do this, let's go to the Bootstrap website, to Docs section and to Introduction section. Scroll down here. As you can see, the CDN related to Bootstrap is placed in the head, like this. So we also put it in our head like this, above the CSS file. But why? Because we want it to be overridden and rewritten by our CSS. Whenever we want to write a custom CSS, the priority should be given to our CSS. That is, the priority is given to the CSS which is lower. We may want to override them. That's how we do it for the CSS file, and in order to use some of Bootstrap features, we need to import its JavaScript as well. You can see that Bootstrap recommends that its JavaScript file be placed before the closing body tag. So we also go here and place it before the closing body tag. This is the best place for putting it. Like this, you can add Bootstrap to your project. Now, let's see if it can be used or not. So it has a CSS file and a JavaScript file which we import and can make use of. Now let's go to the components section and use one of its components. For example, badge. I will copy this and then paste it here. Let's take a look. As you can see, the badges can be viewed here. If we choose to use another one, for example, these buttons and their badges, for example, these badges, if we use them, see, I paste them here, and like this, you can see that now Bootstrap is working. We can also use something else, one of the components that in order to be added need JavaScript, such as dropdowns. Dropdowns use JavaScript. Should we choose to use them, it's necessary that we put the JavaScript in. However, should we not want to use a dropdown or other features such as carousel and the like, which are created using JavaScript, it's possible not to put the JavaScript here at all and not use it, and just use the CSS file. We use both of them here. We can also use the dropdown if I copy its code. Now, if I paste it here, you can see that it is working. The JavaScript is also working without a problem. When I click, this opens and shows the list, the drop-down list. And that's how we add Bootstrap to our project.